both stick welders or MMA welders. This guy here is your traditional inverter welder, comes with the stinger for your stick welding. Now this one is an all-in-one handheld, but it features the digital display. It's the first time that I've seen that, but also uses your stick for welding. So that's going to be cool to check out. Let's open both of these up, go through their features, and see if they can weld. So here we have it, the JZU 160 amp MMA. This thing is so small, man, so compact. I mean, has almost no weight. It's so tiny, but very simple to use. You have 3 lights up here. One is your fan, one shows you you're powered up, and then you have your adjustments for your amperage. Pretty simple. Down here, you're gonna have 1 port for your stinger, 1 for your ground. Comes with a pretty large fan, keep the unit cool. Plugs into your standard outlet, 110. On/off switch. And they include a little strap in case you need to throw it on your shoulder. And I don't know, transport it somewhere to weld. So that's it. Comes with the manual. You get a brush. There's your grounding clamp. And this is your stinger. Stingers are not too bad. They also include the little directional grooves in there to position your stinger in different ways. Firm grip, feels good. The JZU MMA 160 we have set up. Our grounding clamp's going to go on the right side. The electrode holder or stinger is going to be on the left side. Pretty easy setup. Currently I have my stick in place. As you can see, the directional arrows. This is kind of how I like to use mine. Let's power it up right quick. Take a look at the screen. It's sharp, bright screen. Easy to adjust the amperage. It doesn't come up on the screen, but there is a selector. You tap this button and you can shift through. Apparently you can TIG if you had a TIG gun, a lift TIG, and also stick. So you do have some selections here. Alright, well there you have it. One last look at the JZU MMA 160. A compact little unit. They're selling for, I believe, 50 bucks on Amazon right now. Great unit, works perfectly. No issues. Had fun with this little welder here. I mean, just to show you the size for scale, it's a pair of normal scissors. It's so small, compact, lightweight, and good quality. So make sure you guys go to Amazon if y'all are in the market and are looking for a budget-friendly little stick welder. This is for you.